the license plate number and asked them to send officers to see if the man was in distress. As officers were en route, dispatchers notified them that the truck had been reported stolen out of Chandler. When officers arrived, they blocked the truck using 2 patrol cars and placed stop sticks behind the truck's back tires. Officers used the PA system to instruct the man, later identified as 25-year-old Watts Williams, to exit his truck, and they turned on their sirens to get his attention.
Driver of the gray Nissan truck, go ahead and wake up, roll the windows down, and throw the keys outside. Driver of the vehicle, this is the Mesa Police Department. Roll the windows down, shut the vehicle off, and throw the keys out the window.
Williams did not respond, so officers used less lethal beanbag rounds to hit the side of the truck in hopes of getting his attention and having him exit the vehicle.
Of the gray Nissan Frontier truck, go ahead and shut the vehicle off. Put your hands out.
Shortly after, Williams began moving inside the truck and rolled the window down. Officers repeated instructions for Williams to exit the vehicle, but he did not comply. Less lethal rounds were then deployed to the driver's side mirror, and Williams rolled the window back up. Williams put the truck in drive, squealing the tires and hitting the front of the store. He then reversed, backing into the front of a patrol vehicle that 2 officers were standing next to, nearly hitting one of the officers. That is when the officer-involved shooting occurred. Williams was pronounced deceased at the scene. There were no other suspects in the truck and no officers were injured. Nearly hitting one of the officers. That is when the officer-involved shooting occurred.